A blessed morning, everyone, and hello, my dear senior high school students. Welcome to week 5 in physical science. I want you to be enthusiastic and participate actively on all our activities and discussion. Make sure you also have with you your notebook and pen for your key takeaways. In today's session, the students are expected to explain various light phenomena such as A. Your reflection on the concave and convex sides of a spoon looks different. B. Mirages. C. Light from a red laser passes more easily through red cellophane than green cellophane. D. Clothing of a certain colors appear different in artificial light and in sunlight. E. Halos, sundogs, primary rainbows, secondary rainbows, and supernumerary bows. F. White clouds are usually white and rain clouds dark. And G. Why the sky is blue and sunsets are reddish. Then, for the specific learning tasks, the students should be able to describe the behavior of light in different media. I know you are all excited to learn, so let us now begin with our first activity entitled True Colors. Colors are everywhere, from our favorite shoes and clothes to the wonders of nature and outer space. Everything has a color to represent. Color pretty much existed ever since the whole universe began and plays a part in everyone's daily life. But how much do you really know about colors? So, in this activity, you're going to select a color that will make the trivia true and correct. You're given 5 seconds to choose the true color. Understood? Kindly hit the heart button if my instructions are clear. There you go. I could see a lot of heart reacts coming from all of you. I think you are now ready. Let us begin with the first trivia about colors. First one, blank is the first color that baby sees. Is it yellow, red, blue, or green? Which of these is the true color? Kindly comment your answer below. And your 5 seconds starts now. Time's up. The answer is red. Good job. According to studies, infants as young as 2 weeks of age can already distinguish the color red. Probably because red has the longest wavelength among colors, making it easiest color to process by the developing receptors and nerves in the baby's eyes. How about the second one? Blank is the world's most popular color. Is it purple, yellow, green, or blue? What's the true color? Kindly comment it down and your timer starts now. Time's up. The answer is blue. You got it right. Based on the survey conducted by several global marketing firms, they've concluded that people worldwide pick blue as their favorite color. For the third one, blank and blank stimulates hunger. Is it red and yellow, green and blue, purple and yellow, or pink and red? Which pair of color is true? Kindly comment your answers below. And your 5 seconds starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is Red and yellow. Correct. No wonder fast food giants like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King, Jollibee, and many more other restaurants wear this color scheme. Researchers says that red and yellow are the most appetizing colors. How about the color that can curb anger? Is it pink, yellow, purple, or orange? What's the true color? Kindly comment it down and your timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is pink. Excellent. Pink is the palliative color. Apparently, it suppresses anger and anxiety due to its calming effect. That is why prisons and mental health care institutions paint their walls pink to control the behavior of those out-of-control prisoners and patients. And for the last trivia, blank is the safest car color. Which of these is the true color? Is it red, white, blue, or brown? Kindly comment your answers below and your 5 seconds starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is white. Good job. Based on studies, it is the most visible color on the road under all conditions except snow. Now that you have explored the world of color with this amazing trivia, let us deepen your knowledge by considering the most important factor why we see different colors. Have you ever wondered, how do we see different colors with our eyes? Now, let us do another simple exercise. I want you to listen carefully and do what I say. So everybody, relax and let us close our eyes for 5 seconds. You can now open your eyes. Have you seen any color when your eyes are closed? If yes, what color have you seen? Kindly comment your answer below. This time, let us close our eyes again. Then, cover your eyes with your hands. Slowly open your eyes while it is still covered by your hands. Okay, good. You can now remove your hands from your eyes. Have you seen any color while your eyes are open but covered with your hands? If yes, what color have you seen? Kindly comment your answers below. Okay, I can see that most of your answer is black. Very good. Now, what do you think is the most important element missing in order for us to see different colors? Kindly comment your answers below. That's right. The most important element missing is light. So, what is light? Kindly comment your answers below. Very good. Light is something that makes vision possible. It is an electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength that travels in a vacuum with a speed of about 186.281 miles or 300,000 kilometers per second. It is a radiation that is visible to the human eye. Now, what is the purpose of light in our daily life? Kindly comment your answers below. That is correct. In our daily life, we see variety of objects in the world around us. However, we are unable to see anything in a dark room. On lighting up the room, things become visible. So what make things visible? Kindly comment your answers below. Very good. During the day, the sunlight helps us to see objects. An object reflects light that falls on it. This reflected light received by our eyes and enables us to see things. Well done! Now, we can proceed to our topic for today, which is all about light phenomena. So, do you have any idea what is it all about? Kindly comment your answers below. Good job! Light phenomena refers to numerous optical illusions that are produced by the refraction or bending of light as it passes through one substance to another in which the speed of light is significantly different. A ray of light passing from one transparent medium to another medium is bent as it emerges. There are so many light phenomena that we encounter in our everyday life, and we are going to discover the wonders behind those optical illusions one by one. So are you ready? The first one is, why is your reflection on the concave and convex side of a spoon looks different? Let me begin with us Filipinos who really loves to eat. That is why every time that we are posting food on our social media accounts, we always use the hashtag food is life. Pagkain lang, sapat na, and many more. Am I right? But before eating, have you tried looking at your face in a spoon? If not, let's try it. I will give you 5 seconds to get a metal spoon in your kitchen. Do you have your spoon already? Are you sure? Okay, very good. Now, I will be giving you simple instructions and I want you to follow me. Are you ready? Kindly click the like button if you are really ready. Okay, good. I am now seeing a lot of like reacts. So, let us begin. First, I want you to hold the spoon properly as if you are going to eat, like this. Then, raise and place the inner side of the spoon in front of your face and look into it. Now, I want you to look at your face in the spoon. Do you see your image in it? What have you observed? What was the reflection of your face in the spoon? Kindly comment your answers below. That's right. Your face in the spoon is reflected upside down. How did it happen? Do you have any idea? Kindly share it to us and comment your ideas below. Very good. As we all know, light travels in parallel lines. If you look in a normal mirror, everything that hits the mirror comes back to you in the right way up in a straight line. But since the spoon is curved, the rays of light are reflected in different directions. This side, which curves inward, is called concave. Basically, the light waves hit the different parts of the spoon at different angles, so they are all bent a little bit differently. By the time they come back to you, they've all bent differently in such a way that they end up making you look upside down and enlarged. The top of the spoon will reflect downwards, and the bottom of the spoon will reflect upwards. The left side of the spoon will reflect right, and vice versa. Where it crosses over is called the focal point. If you go close enough to the spoon before the focal point, the image will actually be the right way up. How about if we are going to flip the spoon and look into it? What do you think will happen to your reflection? Kindly comment your answers below. Very good. Your reflection became smaller. In this side of the spoon, the light is reflected outwards and therefore do not focus light, and it is called convex. The image is virtual, erect, and smaller in size than the object, but gets larger as the object comes toward the spoon. Is it clear? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. Let us proceed to the second phenomena, which is a mirage. So what is a mirage? Kindly comment your answers below. That is correct. Mirage is a deceptive appearance of a distant object or objects caused by the bending of light rays in layers of air with varying density. For example, the vision of a pool of water is created by light passing through layers of air above the heated surface of a highway. In effect, cooler layers of air refract the sun rays at different angles that do less than strata of heated air, giving the appearance of water where there is none. Nearby objects may even appear to be reflected in it. Under certain conditions, elaborate mirages that look like cities, forests, or unidentified flying objects may appear on the horizon. Or ships in a nearby body of water may appear to be flying in the sky of a desert. Understood? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. For the third phenomena, the question is, why light from a red laser passes more easily in a red cellophane than green cellophane? Do you have any idea? Kindly comment your answers below. That is correct. As a general rule, each color filter will only allow light of its own color to pass through. For example, if you look through red cellophane, everything on the other side appears to be shade of red. If you look through green glass, everything appears to be green. Because red cellophane doesn't absorb light, it reflects it, that allows it to pass easily. While in green cellophane, red light is absorbed because red is not green. So because red light is being absorbed, it cannot pass through easily. Is it clear? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. For the fourth phenomena, the question is, why clothing of certain colors appear different in artificial light and in sunlight? Do you have any idea? Kindly comment your answers below. Very good. Color effect in different types of light always examined in the interaction of different colors and material samples, not only in daylight, but also in artificial light in the evening. In the warm light of light bulbs, red and yellow shades seem warmer. Green shades more yellow, blue shades greener, and blue-violet shades grayer. Halogen light only generates warm color shades, when it is dim. Energy-saving lamps change color in a similar way to standard light bulbs. White light is a blend of all the colors, and each color has a different wavelength. Although sunlight and fluorescent light both appear as white light, they each contain slightly different mixtures of these varying wavelengths. When sunlight and fluorescent light are absorbed by a piece of clothing, only some of the wavelengths reflect off the clothing. When the retina of the eye perceives the color of the clothing, it is really perceiving these reflected wavelengths. The mixture of the wavelengths determines the color perceived. Understood? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. For the fifth phenomena, the question is, why clouds are usually white and rain clouds are dark? Do you have any idea? Kindly comment your answers below. Great! Rain clouds turn gray or black because thick clouds saturated with raindrops scatter sunlight coming through the clouds. When less direct sunlight gets to the bottom of the clouds, they appear darker to the human eye. Thin clouds that do not contain a lot of moisture allow enough sunlight through them so that they appear white to the observers. Is it clear? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. And for the sixth and last phenomena, the question is, why the sky is blue and sunsets are reddish? Do you have any idea? Kindly comment your answers below. Very good. A clear, cloudless daytime sky is blue because the molecules in the air scatter blue from the sun more than they scatter red light. The white light from the sun is a mixture of all colors of the rainbow. When we look towards the sun at sunset, we see red and orange colors because the blue light has been scattered out and away from the line of sight. Also, if the air is polluted with small particles, natural or otherwise, the sunset will be more red. Sunsets over the sea may also be orange, which are effective Tyndall scatterers. The sky around the sun is seen red as well as the light coming directly from the sun. This is because all the light is scattered relatively well through small angles. But blue light is more likely to be scattered twice or more over greater distances, leaving yellow, red, and orange colors. Understood? If yes, kindly hit the heart button. Now, kindly get a piece of paper and pen for our short quiz. Let us have a 5-item assessment on what you have learned on our discussion for today. You're going to write white if the statement is correct and black if the statement is incorrect. Are you ready? So do you have with you your paper and pen? Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Concave spoon will give you an erect, smaller, and virtual reflection. Number 2. Mirage is the deceptive appearance of a distant object or objects caused by the bending of light rays in layers of air of varying density. Number 3. A blue laser light can easily pass through a blue cellophane. Number 4. Rain clouds turn gray or black because thick clouds saturated with raindrops scatter sunlight coming through the clouds. And number 5. A clear cloudless daytime sky is blue because molecules in the air scatter red from the sun more than they scatter blue light? Are you done? Now, let us check your answers. For number 1, the correct answer is black. Very good. Number 2, the correct answer is white. Good job. For number 3, the correct answer is white. That is correct. Number 4, the correct answer is white. And lastly, for number 5, the correct answer is black. Good job, everyone. Kindly comment your scores on the comment section below. Okay, very good. And for your enrichment task, using the information given presented in the diagram later, you're going to explain various light phenomena such as halos, sundogs, primary rainbows, secondary rainbows, and supernumerary bows. At the center of the diagram, you're going to write a light phenomena. For instance, you're going to write there, halo. Then, you're going to write your own definition, the characteristics and facts, the examples, and the non-examples of it. And you're going to do the same thing for the other remaining light phenomena. So you're going to submit 5 diagrams to your subject teacher. Is it clear? Okay. Well then, congratulations everyone. You did a great job. I hope you had so much fun learning today. Thank you so much for listening. Stay safe and see you soon. This has been your live streaming teacher, Miss Mary Rose Angeli Suratas Gatus from Citero Francisco Memorial National High School, now signing off. To God be the glory. Bye.
Dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic, napilitan tayong magbago ng